Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, let's make some barbecue chicken in the air fryer. For Thanksgiving, of course, for Thanksgiving. Now, if you're going to have a lot of people there, you're going to have to start early when you're cooking in the air fryer, okay? So that you can make sure that you get all your chicken done. They are fast and efficient, but they're only so big, okay? Alright, so I'm gonna get started right away. Give it a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe, okay? Check out my links below, and let's do it. Thank you. Okay, so let's start right away with our seasonings. I have some Lawry's seasoning salt. Granulated garlic, black pepper, and sassoon. If you never had sassoon on chicken, oh my goodness, you're in for a treat. You find sassoon in the Goya section in your supermarket. So I'm just repeating the same seasoning on the other side. Okay, now I want to put just a drop of olive oil on the top of each one. Okay. And now I want to load it up. Let you see how that looks. Okay, let me just wash my hands. Okay, let's set the time and the temperature. Okay, I'm going to take this down to 360, so the temperature is 360, and I'm going to do, I'll do 15 minutes to start. Oh, I just turned it off. Look at that. No, I didn't do that. I did. Okay, I have to wait till that shuts down. Okay, let's start that again. 360 temperature, and we're gonna go with, I want to go with 10 minutes to start, and then I'll flip them over and do another timing. Okay? Okay, I'll be right back with the word of the day. Thank you. Okay, the word of the day. Alright, so maybe you can't find any Clorox wipes in your area. I couldn't find them in my area nowhere. So I decided to make up my own solution. Okay? So this is a 40-ounce Dawn container that was empty. So I put 1/3 of the Dawn in here, 1/3 of Clorox in here, and the rest I filled with water. And I made my own Clorox solution. So all you have to do is just pour this out on your surface, get a paper towel and wipe, and now you've made Clorox wipes without having the wipes sitting inside the Clorox solution. How about that, huh? So again, an empty container, any empty container you have is fine. 1/3 Dawn or any dishwashing liquid you use, 1/3 Clorox, and the rest water. Shake it up, and now you have your Clorox solution to use with the paper towels for your wipes. Now that's a good word of the day. That will save you big time. Because I got tired of looking, and I said, well, wait a minute. I have Clorox. I have dishwashing liquid. Why don't I just put the two together? It just made sense, okay? That's a word of the day. That's a savings for you. Okay, so we'll be back when the air fryer stops, okay? Thanks. Okay, so our first timer have stopped on the air fryer. We're going to take it and turn them over. Okay, I'm going to set the timer again. Still want it 360, and we're going to go up to I'm going to go up to 20 minutes this time. Okay, so that'll be a total of what, 30? So we'll be back. Okay, thank you. Okay, so our chicken is out, and let me just let you see what that looks like. Okay. Okay, so if you want it just the fried chicken, you can leave it just like this. But we're going to have barbecue chicken. So I have some honey barbecue sauce by Baby Ray. So I'm going to put the barbecue sauce on. Let me make sure you can see. And then I'm going to brush it on with the brush. I have a pastry brush. And then I'll turn it over and do the other side. Okay, so now I'm going to do the same thing. Barbecue sauce, and then I'll brush it on. and I'll let you see this. Okay, that's what it looks like. Now we're just going to put it back in for about, I'm going to set it at 3 minutes to, so that the barbecue sauce can glaze over. And I can't see. Okay. Okay, I'm going to set this for 3 minutes on 360. Okay, and we'll be back in 3 minutes. Thank you. Okay, so our air fryer barbecue chicken is out. Look at that, guys. Looks good, right? Okay, so let me taste a piece for you. Okay, let's give it a try. Juicy, moist. The temp was 165. And that Baby Ray barbecue sauce always tastes good. Always. Okay, for all you guys who have the air fryers, this is one up for you. Okay, share the video. This is another dish for the Thanksgiving meal, because you have to have the chicken, you know that. Okay, because everybody don't eat turkey, so why not barbecue chicken in the air fryer? Okay, subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. I'd love to have you. Check out my links below if you'd like to support this channel in any way. I'll talk to you soon, okay? Bye-bye.